The Roman consequence of the Iberian Peninsula was a process by which the Roman Republic seized territories in Iberian Peninsula that were previously under the control of the native Celtiberian tribe and the Carthaginian Empire. Carthaginian territories in the south and the east of the peninsula was conquered in 206 BC during the Second Punic War. The control was gradually expanded over the most of the Iberian Peninsula without annexation. It was completed after the end of the Roman Republic by Augustus, the first Roman emperor, who annexed the whole of the peninsula to the Roman Empire in 19 BCE. The consequence of the peninsula start with the Roman acquisition of the former Carthaginian territories in southern Hispania and along the east coast as a result of their defeat. The Carthaginian during the Second Punic War, after which the Carthaginian force left the peninsula. This resulted in an agony Roman territorial presence in the southern and western Hispania. 4 years after the end of this year, the 197 the BC, the Roman established two Roman provinces. These were the Hispania territorial, the along most of the east coast, the Spanish autonomous communities of the Valencia, Catalonia, and part of the Aragon, and the Hispania Ulterior in the south, rousingly the corresponding to the modern Andalusia. Over the next 170 years, the Roman Republic slowly expanded his control over the Hispania. This was a gradual process of the pacification rather than the result of the policy of the conquest. The Roman action in Hispania were reactive. They respond to rebellion by Hispanic tribe by suppressing them, and rather than seeking to the annex further territory, it was driven by the numerous rebellion by the local tribes. The pacification and the retention and the extension of the control over the local tribe was the spiritually the Roman turned some of the native cities outside their two provinces into the tributary the cities, and the establishment of the outpost and the Roman colonies to expand their control. Administrative arrangements were ad hoc. The governor who were sent to the Hispania tend to act quick independently from the Senate due to the great distance of the Roman. The in later part of this period, the Roman Senate attempt to the exercise the more control in Hispania, but this was to try to curb the abuse and the extortion by some Roman officials based in this peninsula. During this period, the conquest was a process of the assimilation of the local tribe into Roman world and its economic system after the pacification. This surge after the end of the Roman Republic and the establishment rule by the emperor in Rome after the Roman victory in the Carthaginian War in the north of the peninsula. Augustus conquered the north of the Hispania. They annexed the whole peninsula to the Roman Empire and cried out an administrative the reconciliation in 19 BC. The Roman province of the Hispania, the territory was the significantly expanded and came to include the eastern part of the central Hispania and the northern Hispania. It was renamed Hispania. The Hispania Ulterior was divided into the province of the Baetisa and the Lusitania, which covered the present-day Portugal up to the river of the Dourias. The present autonomous community of the Extremadura and the small part of the province of the Salamanca in today's Spain.